Hello traders, the title of the video is The Secrets of Higher Time Frame Trendline Trading Technique. Alright, so you have been using trend lines. I've been also recording videos about different ways one can use a trend line. In this tutorial, I want to reveal to you the secrets of higher time frame trendline trading technique. Alright, so the trend lines are simple technical tools that a lot of traders do not use, but we can use them for scalping, day trading, and swing trading. But when we are using the higher time frame trend lines, they are very, very powerful and will help us to identify the best scalping trading setup, day trading setup, swing trading setup. All right, let's begin the demonstration. For this higher time frame trend line trading techniques, I would like to recommend for traders to draw those higher time frame trend lines on the quarterly chart or yearly chart. Now, if you can't see the yearly chart, use the quarterly chart because the position traders love the quarterly chart. And the trend line that we have on the quarterly chart are powerful trend line that the market cannot ignore. Okay? Let's start the demonstration. So I've been drawing some trend line on my chart. I'm going to show you how I'm drawing them. So the first trend line that I draw is connecting this point. Follow me, this point and this point. So if you want to do exactly the same thing, that's December 2013, the high of December 2013, and the high of September 2016. So this point and this point allow me to draw the blue line. So by drawing this blue line connecting this point and this one, look at the reaction of the price right there, okay, on the edge of the trend line that we have drawn on the quarterly chart. As the price was going up this quarter, as it reaches the edge of that higher time frame trend line, it found a resistance and pull back a bit. There were orders here to sell, and those orders were filled and the price came down. So you may say to me, George, tell me more about day trading. So pay attention to the blue trend line. I'm going to drop it down to the 30-minute time frame. So you have drawn it on the quarterly chart, and then you switch to the 30-minute time frame, looking for the reaction around that blue trend line. Look at that. Price gap up. So gap up. It went up to retest that blue trend line on the quarterly chart. This is a higher time frame trend line on the quarterly chart. And then what he did, he found a resistance right there. Would you agree that for day trading, you can take advantage of that? And look at another one here. The price form, a head and shoulder chart pattern. This is the left-hand side shoulder. This is the head. And this is, the left-hand, the right-hand side shoulder here. An inverted bearish chart pattern in the vicinity of that higher time frame, a bearish trend line. And from there, the price went down. Will you agree that as a day trader, you can profit from the higher time frame trend line? This is one example right there, okay? Well, we can use it for scalping. Let's go to the 15-minute time frame and see whether we can. On the 15-minute time frame, you see again. On the 15-minute time frame, you will see gap up that day. Touch it here. Again, we have the head and shoulder chart pattern here. The head, the right-hand side shoulder, and the left-hand side shoulder on the 50-minute time frame, and from there it's going down. This is a higher time frame, a trend line that we have drawn on the quarterly chart. All right, so because there will be a reaction if the price reaches a higher time frame, a trend line, and you need to draw them so you may profit from it, whether you are scalping, day trading, or swing trading. If I go now to the daily chart, you will see that you see many of those trend lines that I have drawn. You see the orange one here. Let's go back to the quarterly chart, and you will see. So you see here the blue one. You see price went up, hit it here. And now again here recently, you see here, this is what we are talking about now. You hit it here on the daily chart. Are you a swing trader on the daily chart? Here it is, you hit it here. You monitor the reaction, you monitor the candlestick pattern in the vicinity of that higher time frame trend line, and you use a different time frame trading method to trade it. Okay, going back again to the quarterly chart. We don't want the video to be too long, so we talk about the blue trend line. Now I have drawn again the orange trend line. Okay, how did I draw the orange trend line? All I did, I connect the high. Look at this high here, which the high of March 2015 to the high of hold on please, to the high of September 2015. So March 2015 to September 2015, connect those high, and I have my orange line on my chart. Look what's happened recently as the price was coming down. Okay, all right. In 2016, he opened here, he started going down. Look what he did find support on the edge of the orange trend line. If you go quickly to the daily chart, you see the reaction of the price as the price pulled back near that higher time frame, okay, trend line. All right, you see here, we have here an inverted head and shoulder chart pattern. Here it is. This is the left hand side, okay, shoulder. This is the right hand side shoulder. We have an inverted head and shoulder chart pattern. The price start going up gently, gently up to the blue, okay, higher time frame trend line. So from the orange line, it went up gently, gently to retest, okay, the blue trend line, which is another higher time frame trend line. All right. So you see now, whether you are day trading, swing trading, even scalping, you can draw those higher time frame trend line, and then you switch to your favorite time frame, okay, to trade on the edge of those higher time frame trend line. They are powerful, especially on the quarterly chart. I recommend to trader to use the quarterly time frame and also the yearly time frame. You can connect a high to a high. Okay, here again, I connect a high to a high. Okay, we have finished with the orange line. Let's pay attention to the peak one. So I'm connecting this time the low here and to this low here. Okay, let me tell you exactly the low of March 2016. Okay, to the low of yes, to the low of December 2000. Okay, to the low of December 2016. With those two points, okay, I have my pink line. Look at the reaction recently. Okay, this is this quarter now. The price as he opened here, pulled back, he found a support near the pink line. So you may say to me, George, all right, let's go to the daily chart and see the reaction near the pink line. All right, the pink line. Okay, it came quite close near the pink line right there. All right, you see now. Okay, quite close, quite close. And also, if you see two lines, you can draw the median line between the two trend lines. All right, this should also help you, okay, to find a high probability trading setup. All right, you didn't touch it properly here. All right, let's go back to the quarterly chart. Okay, again to the quarterly chart, we have finished with the pink line. Okay, didn't touch it properly, but quite close. And if you pay attention, which one again? So we finish with the orange, the blue, and the pink one. So those are the trend line. Those are the higher time frame trend line. And let's go, for instance, let's see if we can see it on the 10-minute time frame, any of those lines. So the blue one is still here. The head and shoulder chart pattern is still valid on the, okay, a 10-minute time frame. Go to the 5-minute time frame. Okay, so it was somewhere up there. Okay, and you roll it down. All right. So whether you are day trading, swing trading, all right, use the higher time frame trend line, especially the trend line on the quarterly chart, and then monitor the candlestick pattern, the chart pattern, the reaction of the price structure, inevitability of those okay higher time frame trend line. All right. Especially if you are day trading, those trend line will help you very much because as the price comes quite closer to those trend line, okay, on you see here, this is again on the hourly time frame. It quite you see it dip below, so this is what we are talking break below, retest. So the price went above it, okay, and then come back below. This is a rejection, okay. So they reject the price above, okay, that trend line is a rejection. Now we want it to confirm it as a resistance level, which means go back to retest it. So it came quite close like this. You see, okay, so here, all right. You will be okay looking for an opportunity to sell as a day trader or as a scalper because you know that this is a high impact, a higher time frame, a trend line that you have drawn on the quarterly chart. Now here it is on the hourly time frame. All right. As always, if you learn something new on YouTube, try to use a demo account. Practice, practice, practice. If you have any question, do not hesitate to put in the comment section. And in due course, I will be recording another video. Okay, to answer your specific question. This strategy is valid for day trading, swing trading, position trading, and also for scalping. All we are doing, we go either to the quarterly chart or the yearly chart. We connect a high to another high, or a low to another low, or a low to a high, and we leave those lines on our chart, and then we switch to our favorite time frame, and we monitor the reaction of the price and see whether there is a trading setup in the vicinity of one of those higher time frame trend line. If there is one, we implement a top-down trading method to trade it. All right. If you have any question or suggestion, put in the comment section, and in due course, I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. If this video has been useful to you, let us know by giving us the thumbs up. If you think that this is another useless video, let us know by giving us the thumbs down. But if you think that this is an essential tutorial, feel free to share it on Google+, on Twitter, and also on Facebook. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders, talking about the secret of higher time frame, trend line, trading technique. Is it a secret for you, or do you already know about it? Happy trading to you all, and speak to you soon.